up, Stomp Boxers? Jared here from Stomp Box Talk. You know, one of the really big reasons that I love demoing pedals is to help you discover awesome pedals that you may not have known existed. So a lot of the times these are pedals from smaller companies, and it's just really hard to discover those pedals because they're small companies. So today we're going to be checking out a small company called Noise Therapy Effects. This is La Revenant. So this is a fuzz pedal that has an option to go up an octave by flipping this toggle switch. Noise Therapy Effects in general, I think they have really cool designs. So all of the graphics on their pedals is kind of this signature black and white, and I think they just do a really good job at designing their pedals. So let's go ahead and get into it, and let's turn on the fuzz. The Revenant is a highly modified fuzz pedal with some serious features for the modern player. The octave circuit is designed to expand the sonic landscape without being a gimmick. The goal of the Revenant is to create a huge, thick fuzz with a wide sonic spectrum that is tight enough to chug without sacrificing sustain. And man, can it sustain. Let's take a look at the controls.